lemon meringue pie, it's simultaneously a sweet delight and a colossal headache in the kitchen if you get it wrong. There's this urge to craft that cloud-like meringue without it deflating or weeping. Annoying, right? You're not alone. Start with the crust. You want a buttery, flaky crust because the lemon filling is quite the diva. And use cold cubed butter and pulse it with flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Chill your dough before rolling it out. Now use a pie dish and not a tart pan for this recipe, unless you want lemon soup. Pre-bake the crust using pie weights to avoid the dreaded soggy bottom. Trust me, no one likes it. Onto the filling. Fresh lemons. People never that stuff that claims to be lemon juice from a bottle. But aim for half a cup of fresh juice and you'll thank me later. A big pro tip, zest 3 lemons first to amplify flavor. Create a mixture of sugar, cornstarch, and lemon zest in a saucepan. It's like a chemistry experiment, but tastier, and slowly whisk in water, ensuring no lumps. Cook it until it thickens and achieves that pudding-like consistency. Now the showstopper, adding egg yolks, and first temper them by adding a little of that hot lemon mixture. And whisk constantly to avoid a scrambled egg situation. Once integrated, whisk everything back into the saucepan to thicken. Here's the secret sauce. Butter. Whisk in a couple tablespoons at the end for richness. Spread it evenly over your pie crust.
No naked spots, all right? The layer should be...
Meringue time. Separate 4 eggs. Use the whites only. Make sure no yolk sneaks in. Add cream of tartar for stability as you beat them. You want stiff peaks, nothing less. Gradually add sugar for gloss and structure. Spread the meringue over the lemon filling, sealing edges of the crust. It's like building a tiny wall. This prevents shrinking during baking. Get artsy with spoon swirls because aesthetics can impress anyone. Bake in a moderately hot oven till meringue peaks, hint golden brown. Resist the urge to open the oven prematurely. Think of it as patience training that rewards you with dessert. Let it cool fully before serving, lest it turns into a puddle. Pie loves a chill out session on a counter before getting acquainted with your palate. Cut cleanly with an oiled knife. And you've done it, a lemon meringue pie worthy of praise. Share slices with those lucky enough to be in your vicinity and bask in that glow of culinary triumph. Portland may be rainy, but this pie is sunshine in a dish. Enjoy.